macOS High Sierra is Apple's newest operating system for Mac, but some users might have issues with applications and problems like server setups not working correctly. If you're one of those users who's having trouble and decided you'd rather go back to macOS Sierra, the first step is to download the installation file. Usually you'd be able to search and find macOS Sierra in the App Store, but Apple has removed it since the release of High Sierra. Luckily, they provide a link to the macOS Sierra download online. First, head to Google and search Download macOS Sierra. Then click on the page that says How to Download macOS Sierra, Apple Support. Scroll down to get SierrA from the App Store section and follow the Mac App Store link. The App Store should open and allow you to download macOS Sierra. Once the download is complete, you'll see an error saying the application is too old to run on your machine. Don't worry, we'll still be able to create the boot media necessary for installation. First, insert a USB flash drive. Make sure to back up any important files to your Mac, since it will be formatted in the process. When the USB drive shows up on your desktop, go ahead and rename it SierrA. Then go to Spotlight Search, type in Terminal, and hit Enter. With your terminal open, copy and paste this command into the text box. Notice that the code includes the name of your USB drive, so make sure it's named SierrA, or adjust the code to match your drive's name. Then hit Enter. A little lock icon will show up. Just type in your password and hit Enter. You'll be asked for permission to erase all the data on the drive. Type the letter Y and hit Enter. The terminal should now start copying the boot files to the USB drive. Once the process is complete, you can close the terminal and eject the USB drive. Before you downgrade to macOS Sierra, you need to make sure to back up all the important files and apps you want to keep, as this process will completely erase all your files from your main drive. For an in-depth tutorial on all the ways you can back up your data, click the card above. Once your data is backed up, click the Apple icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select Restart. Hold down Command and R and keep holding the keys until your computer restarts and a loading bar shows up. After it's finished, click Disk Utility, then Continue. Then select your startup disk, which is usually named Macintosh HD. Normally you would hit Erase and choose macOS Extended Journaled, but this option isn't available with High Sierra. So hit Cancel and click Partition, then change the format to macOS Extended Journaled, and then click Apply. Then click Partition on the next pop-up, which agrees to erase all the data on your drive. Your drive should now be reformatted to allow a macOS Sierra installation. Click the Apple icon once again and restart the system. This time, hold the Option button until it restarts. Now plug in your USB installation drive. Once it shows up, click Install macOS Sierra. After it loads, click Install macOS and Continue. Once the macOS logo shows up, click Continue, Agree, then click Agree again. Then click your main drive, which should be named Macintosh HD, and click Install. Continue through all the pop-ups to begin the installation. Make sure to plug in your device if you're on a MacBook. Once the installation is complete, choose your language and hit Continue to complete the rest of the installation process. Once at your desktop, you can go ahead and eject your macOS Sierra installation drive. Now open the Mac App Store and update to the latest macOS Sierra software. Just make sure not to accidentally reinstall macOS High Sierra. So there you have it, you've successfully downgraded to macOS Sierra. This has been Vadim from Apple Insider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.